chai, everyone! Welcome to Masala Tea Spill.
Cute roses, gather around. Because Reddit is never wrong. While Apurva Mukhija, aka the rebel kid, was out here keeping her relationship low-key, the internet had already done the investigation, filed the report, and sent it to print. And today, we're walking through every single clue, because this soft launch was anything but soft. For those who don't know her, Apurva Mukhija goes by the rebel kid online. She's one of India's most well-known lifestyle influencers, with over 4 million followers on Instagram, known for her unfiltered takes, her aesthetic, and honestly her ability to make her personal life into very compelling content. She rose to major fame after the Samay Raina controversy, and since then, she's been one of those creators people either love or love to talk about. And when it comes to her love life, the internet is always watching. So here's how this story started. About 4 months ago, Reddit started asking a very simple question: who is Rebel Kid's boyfriend? Because Apurva had been dropping hints. In her own year-end recap, she reportedly mentioned she was learning to DJ. Learning to DJ. Cute roses, that one clue was apparently enough. Because Reddit immediately connected that to one person, Amin Jaz, a podcaster and DJ known for his show called Untriggered. No confirmation, no hard launch, just a hobby. And the internet ran with it. Then came Lollapalooza Mumbai. According to multiple Reddit users who were allegedly present at the event, Apurva and Amin were reportedly spotted making out at Sami Virji's set, independently. Multiple people, same story. One user even claimed they were right behind the couple. And then allegedly, Apurva posted on her Instagram with Sami Virji's music, which, if you know, you know. Reddit's verdict at this point? Hard launch incoming. And then it happened. A Reddit user posted photos reportedly found on a mutual friend's Snapchat story, Apurva and Amin together, clearly comfortable, clearly not hiding it anymore. The comments? Absolutely unhinged, in the best way. People pointed out that Amin apparently looks similar to her ex, Utsav, same baby face, same energy. The comment section collectively decided she has a type. Someone said, and I quote, she's always in love. Others were already predicting the breakup storytime video. Cute roses, the parasocial experience is something else. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some Reddit users allegedly claimed this might be a PR move, especially since Apurva had recently faced some backlash over a viral Kalava cutting video. The timing of the soft launch, they argued, was a little too convenient. Others pushed back and said she's just living her life. There were also claims, reportedly unverified, that Amin's podcast views on love and relationships had previously been very anti-commitment. The comment section was quick to note that, apparently, circumstances change. One user did point out that Amin had mentioned in a recent podcast episode that he had been with his girlfriend for about a year. Which, if true, suggests this wasn't exactly new. On the other hand, some users felt Amin might be using her platform. Others said it was the opposite. Honestly, neither side has receipts. We're just going to say, allegedly, it's complicated. As of now, Apurva appears to have officially hard-launched Amin Jaz as her boyfriend. They've been spotted together multiple times, allegedly at concerts, reportedly at events in Sri Lanka, and of course, all over each other's social media adjacent circles. Is it real? Is it PR? Is it a situationship with an aesthetic? Cute roses? We don't know. But we're watching. What we do know is Reddit called this months before she confirmed anything. And the comments were already writing the breakup storytime script. At this point, the internet isn't just an audience. It's a full production team. So that's the tea on Rebel Kid and Amin Jaz. Do you think this is the real thing? Or is it content? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, subscribe because, cute roses, we don't miss a single drop. See you in the next one.
And thank you for watching, girlies.